And then, one of the best minds to nag-a-adjust. He can make adjustments in-game while the game is going on. May ibang mga coach, wala. Para lang si Jason Casimiro. Diskarte, tol! Diskarte! Hindi yan.
Yan. Mamaya,
Hindi,
mamaya na
hindi,
pa natin pag-usapan si Jason.
hindi pwede yan. You have to, like I said, si Coach Yenka magaling. So that's why.
Oo.
So I'm not surprised that Rain or Shine is on top because it has all the ingredients to success
All
of a
right.
team. Good coaching, you just have enough talent and a wonderful organization behind it. Yun lang. Nandoon ka, you have the best chance to win.
Okay. Let me ask you about this. Of course, the Coach Giao, the bottom na top team. Pag nanonood kasi ako ng PBA, somehow, of course, as a basketball fan, kahit hindi kilala yung mga players o hindi masyado napapag-usapan, na-excite pa rin naman ako. And I've been meaning to ask you this for a while.